Hi there, welcome to Shahy's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher, Shahy. So, we've been looking at how to speak like a native, right? So we are not going to base this video on another video. Okay, we're going to base it on just a lesson. What is the lesson about today? We are going to talk about requests, okay? What is a request? Okay, a request is when you ask someone to do something for you, okay? In a nice way, in a polite way, okay? Or you ask someone if they need your help, if you can do something for them. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. So what are the phrases we are looking at? It's could you, can you, would you, would you be able to, Okay, so let's start with the examples. So you can use this with could you, can you, and would you be able to, okay? Could you come to the shop with me? Can you come to the shop with me? Would you be able to come to the shop with me? Could you take care of my dog? Can you take care of my dog? Would you be able to take care of my dog? Could you bake me a cake for the party? Can you help me out with this report? Can you help me out with moving house? Moving house means moving all the things in your old house, putting them in a vehicle, in a truck or something, and taking them to your new house. This means moving house, moving your things to a new house. Would you be able to call me later? I'm busy right now. Sorry. Okay, or can you call me later? Could you please call me later? I'm really busy right now. Can you change my appointment? Could you change my appointment? Would you be able to change my appointment for me, please? Can you, could you, would you be able to check if Mr. Smith is available? Okay, somebody's available, it means they are not busy, they are free, they can talk to you. So I'm available for you right now. So how do we reply to all these requests? If somebody is asking you to do something for them, okay, you're going to reply, right? You're going to say, yeah, sure, why not? I can do that for you. Definitely, happily. Okay, or you can say, oh, I'm really sorry, I can't right now. Maybe later. Maybe later, okay. I'm so sorry, I can't right now. Maybe later. Okay, so the next one we're looking at is, would you like me to? So you are asking if this person needs your help, okay? Would you like me to come to the shop with you? Or would you like me to take you to the shops or drive you to the shops? Would you like to come with me to the shop? Because I'm going to do my shopping anyway, okay? Would you like me to take care of your dog while you go on holiday? I would never do that, but this is just an example. Would you like me to bake you a cake for the party? I don't mind, I'd love to do it. So when you call somebody and they are busy, you might want to say to them, oh, would you like me to call you back later? Is it a bad time? So if you want to learn some more phone phrases, I've put the link below, so have a look at that. Okay, and if somebody is carrying bags, maybe they are a stranger, and you can say to them, would you like some help with that? Would you like me to help you with that? You can also say that, okay? So would you like me to? Can I help you with that? But we don't say, could I help you with that, okay? can I help you with that? But the best way to say is, would you like me to help you with that? And the rest of the examples. Okay? So how do we reply when somebody says these things to us, when they are offering to help us? You can say, oh, would you really? Oh, thank you. I would love that. Oh, I'm so grateful. You're the best. Thank you so much. Oh, that's very kind of you. Okay, all these answers are enough. So the next phrase we're looking at is would you mind, okay? So we can say, would you mind keeping the noise down? We're trying to sleep. So if they're making noise at night, you can say this to them. But when we say this, would you mind? In this instance, this moment, it means I mind. I have a problem with the noise. Be quiet. This is what it really means. Sometimes when you say, would you mind, it means I have a problem with you. Okay? Okay, so the next one isn't saying I have a problem with you. Would you mind helping me with the cooking? Would you mind helping me with my homework? You know, the person might be busy and you might want to say it like that. Would you mind helping me? I know you're busy right now, but would you mind helping me? They might say yes, they might say no. Would you mind going to the shops for me? I really need some baking powder and I'm busy here. Yeah, sure, why not? I can do that. I'm not busy. Would you mind typing up these meeting notes for me, please? It might be somebody at work. Would you mind? Could you do that for me? Yeah, okay, I'm not busy right now. Or, I really need to get this done, and after that, I will definitely do that for you. Okay? If you are trying to go past somebody and there's no space, you can say, sorry, can I just get past, please? Sorry, could I get past, please? Sorry, do you mind if I just squeeze past, please? Okay, so you can use these. It's a request to say, move out the way, I want to pass. Okay? Okay, so this is the end of the video, okay? Would you mind subscribing to my channel if you didn't already? Could you please give it a big thumbs up? And send me some comments on Instagram or HoloTalk. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support and all the new and the old subscribers. There are some useful links below for my Instagram also, for pronunciation and some other things and some other videos that will help you with your English. So take care of yourself, stay at home if you don't need to go out. Okay? And on Thursday I will be posting another lesson, okay? Which is related to the ESOL syllabus. So this one is separate and the other one will be separate also. So take care and bye for now. See you next week.